unbox a Cipe surge protector with me. So here we have a surge protector that has fully been made in Sri Lanka. And what's so unique about this device is, unlike other devices in the market, this protects up to 6000 volts and you only need one. As you can see, the device is very compact, very sleek, and there's a light in front. If it's green, it indicates that your house is properly earthed. So 2 birds with 1 stone. And underneath that we have the warranty card. With the Cipe Surge Protector, you get 1 year warranty for any factory defects. Underneath that, we got the user manual. So how the Cipe Surge Protector works is, you just plug it into any plug point and it will protect all the electronic devices within that phase of the house. You don't need special knowledge, you don't need to get an electrician. It's very easy, just plug it in and your devices are protected from surges up to 6000 volts. To purchase a product, you can go to any computer shop, or you can go to SoftLogic Max, Saban, Zem Center, or visit our website cipeworld.com.